The chaos. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I'll teach you in my verse sounds like corpse, core, horse, and worse. I'll keep you Susie busy, make your head with heat grow dizzy. Tear in eye your dress will tear, so shall I, oh hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard, and herd, dice and diet, lord and word, sword and sword, retain and Britain. Mind the latter how it's written. Now I, now I will surely will not plague you with such words as plaque and ague. But be careful how you speak. Say break and stake, but bleak and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low. Script, receipt, show, poem and toe. Hear me say devoid of trickery. Daughter, laughter, and tripsickery. Typhoid, missiles, topsails, isles, exiles, similes, and reviles. Scholars, vicar, and cigar. Scholar, mica, war, and far. One anemone, balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel. Gertrude, German, wind, and mind. Sin, melpomene, mankind. Billet does not rhyme with ballet. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, mallet, and chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is mold like should and would. Viscous, viscount, load, and broad. Toward, to forward, to reward. And your pronunciation is okay when you correctly say croquet. Rounded, wounded, grieve, and sieve. Friend and fiend, alive and live. Ivy, privy, famous clamor, and enamor rhyme with hammer. River, rival, tomb, bomb, comb, dull, and roll, and some, and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangor. Souls but foal, haunt, and but aunt. Font, front, want, grant, grand, and grant. Shoes goes thus. Now first say finger, and then singer, ginger, linger. Real, zeal, mauve, gauze, gauge, and gauge. Marriage, foliage, mirage, and age. Query does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sounds like bury. Dust, lost, past, and doth. Cloth, loath. Job, knob, bosom, transom, oath. Though the differences seem little, we say actual but vital. Refer does not rhyme with differ. Pfeffer does, and zipper heifer. Mint, pint, senate, and sedate. Doll, ball, and George ate late. Cynic, Arabic, Pacific, science, conscience, scientific, liberty, library, heave, and heaven. Racial, 8, mustache, 11. We say hallowed but allowed. People, leopard, toad, but vowed. Mark the differences, moreover, between mover, cover, clover, leeches, breeches, wise, precise, chalice, but police and lies. Camel, constable, unstable, principal, disciple, label. Petal, panel, and canal. Wait, surprise, plate, promise, pal. Worm and storm, chase, chaos, chair. Senator, spectator, mayor. Tour but hour and sucker for. Gas, alas, and Arkansas. Sea, idea, Korea, area. Sam, Maria, but malaria. Youth, south, southern, cleans and clean. Doctrine, turpentine, marine, compare, alien and Italian. Dandelion and battalion. Sally and ally. Yea, ye, I, a, way, and key. Say ever but ever fever, neither leisure, skin deceiver. Heron, greener, canary, crevice and device and airy. Face, breath, preface, not efface. Phlegm, phlegmatic as glass base. Large but target, gin, give, verging, oath, joust, and scar, scourging. Ear but earn, and wear and tear. Do not rhyme, but hear, but air. Seven is right, but so is even. Hyphen, roughen, nephew, Stephen, monkey, donkey, Turk, and jerk. Axe, graps, waps, and kirk, and work. Pronunciation, think of sight, is a paling stout and spiky. Won't it make you lose your wits? Writing groats and saying grits. It's a dark abyss or tunnel, strewn with stones, stood Soleil's Gunnel, Islington and Isle of Wight. Housewife verdict and indict, indict. Finally, which rhymes and enough with enough. Though through, plow or though or cough. Hiccup has the sound of cup. My advice is to give up.